Hey guys, it's me, Blaine. I'm back again. I have another accessory that I feel is one of the must-haves that you should get for your Tesla, either Model 3, Model Y, whichever model you have. I believe this is something you should get. What I have here is the Taptes USB Hub. The reason why I'm getting this is because inside the compartment down there is a way for you to plug in your USB stick for Sentry mode. And if you use just a little USB, they say that they don't read and write as fast as the micro SD cards. So I've had a few times I've gotten into the car and my USB drive was not working. The flash drive was not working. In order to fix it, I had to reformat the USB flash, and then it started working again. So there's a chance that you may need some footage off of it one day and it might not work. So what I have decided to do is to go with the SD card route, and well, let's just jump into it. All right, let's get started. Alright, so here's what I got, the Taptes USB Hub. I will post a link down below in the description. So today what I've gone with is I went with the Pro Endurance with the adapter here. It's got the 128 gigabyte US 1 card. It's a class 10 for 4K video. It says right there for dash cams. It's high endurance for video monitoring. Alright, so this is what I decided to go with. You will also need to be able to put the micro SD card into the USB. You're going to need one of these SD holders right here. The card will slide in that. It's called Rock Tech. I found this on Amazon. I will post a link to that down below as well. So, alright. This little card, leave. I believe it goes in just like that. There you go. I'm going to end up putting this right up here. Like that. This here is what I was using, the Samsung USB flash drive. However, I'm not going to use this guy anymore. It's going to go away. And I was also using this little USB hub, and not going to need it anymore for now. So for the wireless charging port right here, I'm going to be plugging that in to this guy right here on the left side. Alright, so as you can see, I got it plugged in. It took a little bit of time to get it finessed in there. I have a USB light. I can check my ports. That light's coming on. That light's coming on. That tells you that I have it installed correctly. Next, I'm going to take my USB stick, stick it right up in there. All right, let's see if we can get it to format. Safety and security. Format. Are you sure you want to format the USB drive? Yes. All right. So it looks like it's saving it to it. Now it's done. And let's hit the launch the viewer. Here's the dash cam from today, 11:33. Yep, that's it. Click it. And you can see it's working. Look at that. Successful install. All right, so it also comes with the magnetic little piece of metal here. If you're going to, instead of using the little flash drive that I'm using, if you wanted to use an SSD drive, you could put this piece here on, stick it onto the back of the SSD drive, and then it would slide up and sticks right there to it. Okay, on the inside. That way it stays nice and secured. Then, when you're done to hide everything, take your little cover, install it, and as you can see, you got a nice, clean install. And everything looks really good. Alright, so overall, installing the Taptes USB hub, not too hard. It was a little finicky. You have to take it, slide it down, and then after you put it down, then you got to push it back. And you got a USB-C and a regular USB port sticking out that you have to fit into the ports that's already installed in the car. And it was a little difficult getting it lined up. Once again, I think anybody could do it. Take your time sitting there putting it in. Obviously, as soon as you put it down in there, you don't want to sit there and push it back in there, because if you break off those little ports, you're screwed. So when you get it in there, I was able to keep feeling my fingers down in the back side of it and making sure I could see that it's getting lined up as close as possible, and then I'd pull my fingers out and sit there and wiggle, and then finally, after a while, I felt it kind of go right in. And then I kind of pushed it, and I put my fingers around the outside edges to make sure everything felt the same, and it did. The way I tested is I had a little USB blue LED light, plugged it in, and it came right on. So that was confirmation right there that I installed it correctly. Once you're done doing that, you plug in that your SSD card, your SSD drive, or your flash drive, or your little mini micro SD card, which is the way I decided to go this time, because it's a card. There's no moving parts in it or anything, and it's for high endurance, and hopefully it should last me a long time. But I will find out. I've heard nothing but good reviews on it. You will need to make sure you buy the what is this thing? The Rocketech? The Rocketech holder. I saw this one online, and it was highly recommended that it did a good job reading the SD card. So I got it, and so far it's working good. So hey, if you guys haven't done so already, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the little bell symbol, so that way you get notified every time I post a new video. And until next time, guys, have fun, be safe, keep driving, and I'll see you around. Thanks.